In this video, I will compare Qwen, Deepseek and ChatGPT side by side. First, let's talk about their main focus. Qwen main focus is better reasoning and logic, stronger multilingual support, improved dialogue understanding and advanced coding skills. Whereas Deepseek main focus is to make powerful AI tools such as language models and image generator open source and accessible to everyone. And ChatGPT main focus is understanding and generating human-like text, making it useful for tasks such as generating content, answering questions, engaging in conversation, and providing explanations. If we talk about the user interface, all three have the almost same interfaces. Regarding prices, both Qwen and DeepSeek is free, whereas ChatGPT 4.0 version is paid. Now let's do some test. I will give the command. I have written this command. Now let's send it. ChatGPT is fast, whereas DeepSeek is slow and Qwen is also slow. Now let's see all of three answers. Now in the ChatGPT and Qwen coding, UL and LI is missing, whereas in the DeepSeek, here you can see UL and LI is available. So I like the code from the DeepSeek as well as it is well structured. Now let's do data analysis. I have written what happened on July 4th. Let's send it. Now Qwen is faster. DeepSeek is also taking the lead, whereas ChatGPT is slow. ChatGPT is still writing. I can't believe ChatGPT is very slow in the data analytics. I am stopping ChatGPT because it is taking too much time. I will simply tap on stop. Now let's compare all of these three answers. Qwen gave the simple answer that July 4th is celebrated as an Independence Day in the United States, whereas DeepSeek given detailed answer. As you can see, and ChatGPT is slow. So in my opinion, in the data analytics, DeepSeek take the lead. Now let's do some basic calculation. I have write this question 434 multiplied by 5 and divided by 6. Now let's send it. ChatGPT is faster in the calculation. Now let's compare all the three answers. As you can see, ChatGPT answer is simple, whereas in the DeepSeek and in the Qwen, it is mentioned step by step. So in my opinion, Qwen answer is much more better in calculation. So that's it for the comparison video. If you enjoy it, please like this video and subscribe the channel.